So hello everybody. I have here a very beautiful Bergeon 50 lathe. It's an 8mm lathe in very good condition and ready to use. And in this video I'm going to show the condition in more detail so that you guys can make a better decision. Yeah, let's get the motor running. There's a speed control here with the switch. Here's the switch for the other direction. This is the maximum speed. Yeah, so there's a polycord here. I put in the drawer some extra polycord for the future to glue yourself. Yeah, so what I said, it takes 8mm collets with this drawbar here. On this side of the headstock there's a possibility for direct division with this pin. And this pin you can move in this direction and lock it in place with this. The cross slide moves very good in the complete range. You can put it on 0 here. It's very well made in Switzerland. Yeah, let's see if I can take it off and show it from close. The condition here. Yeah, very beautiful. Okay, let's look in the drawer. So here we have the accessory set. It comes with the drilling tailstock. Also with the drawbar here and the same 8mm collets go on this side. There's a graver here from Bergeon. This is the Bergeon 2930. It's an extra. That looks sharp. It's a very hard material here on this side. Yeah, what I told, some extra polycord for the future. And yeah, let's take this. This is the tool holder with the small pin which goes in here. Wax chucks they call it, and there's the mother and the father of these centers. Yeah, all these tools were not used a lot, obvious. Let's zoom in here. There's a very tiny collet there, which is operated from here. This one is to work eccentric, off-center. So there's all the small tools. This one here is very similar, but with a 8mm chuck. And in this collet here there's one item installed. Another pulley. Yeah, you have this tooling here. Yeah, there's the collet set with a 3-jaw chuck. It's made by Reishauer for Bergeon in Switzerland. And here is the faceplate with the center. Yeah, there's a good collection of collets. All Bergeon. Yeah, these are all original Bergeon accessories here, what you see. And maybe I can go with a close-up here, the headstock. The motor there. Yeah, and at the bed here I can show the condition of the bed. Yeah, that's it, and thank you so much for watching.